Madalang nagamatay na sa imong kalupa. Gara sa lugar sa pagsulog sa kahayag sa imong gawa. Kaluyi kaming tanan. Himo kaming kayan ng mga ambet sa kinabay tunay. Umalibaliyan na naulay sa Diyos. Uban sa mga apostolos. Kung sa na masako sila tuman sa pagpuputon nakasa katuligan. Uban kanila ang utay ka mo ikaw ay mayaan. Pinag Yesu Kristo. Pinaagi kanila. Uban kanila ang diha kanila. Kaya ka kanimo magkagagawang naman. Diya sa kayo usa sa Espiritu Santo ang tanang dugo pag-imay.
Akong pagtahon sa atong pinasilunggan nga mamamulong si Dr. Jess Hardin, ang sabi Dr. Moreno, the Provincial Health Officer sa city, sa barangay din sa Cagayan de Oro, especially sa Puntod, matagyan po silang number karon. Barangay Nazareth under Captain Rodriguez, the ever active. Nakita na ko siya sa Pamahaw Special the other day, together with her task force. And I would like to single out the local health personnel, our BFF, best friends for it. This goes to Panagsa. True in the name of Tanan, most likely I will not anymore be giving an inspirational talk because it has already been given.
Honorable Beverly, and also the rest of, I think there are
Regional Second Director of PNR or any representative
from Civil Service Commission,
Social Security System,
Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA,
from the Department of Social Welfare and Development,
the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation,
Office of the Regional State Prosecutor,
Commission on Audit,
Overseas Workers Welfare Administration,
Department of Labor and Employment,
Government Service Insurance System, Commission on Higher Education,
Department of Trade and Industry,
Department of Agriculture,
Department of Public Works and Highways,
Land Transportation Office Region 10,
Department of Budget and Management,
Cagayan de Oro City Water District,
Department of Interior and Local Government,
National Irrigation Administration,
Bureau of Jail Management and Penology,
Philippine National Police,
Mindanao University of Science Medical Center,
and Cagayan de Oro Medical Center.
So any representative from all the agencies that we have mentioned can sign the pledge of commitment.
So at this juncture, Jane, can we call on the Vice Mayor of Cagayan de Oro to give his message?
Thank you very much. Good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, the actors and actresses of this very memorable. We are so thankful that there are individuals, kamo mismo mga katauhan na naglihok para mahimong malapit. NGO partners,
global, no? So aduna kita mapakita diri nga statistics. So nagaingon diri
Your picture, please.
May we ask to Salay Municipal TB Corp E. Dr. Amboy, the Municipal Health
Fighting against TB, Jin.
Correct. Monang importante.
Nila.
Kagawad Stephen. Goes to Naawan Municipal TB Core Team.
For the PHN.
Sila mag-gaira.
Oh, kita ba ito kagwapo ni Jin? Oh. North City TB Core Team, headed by their nurse, Doris De La Rosa, and Shirley. Says Municipal TB Core Team Jin will also acknowledge the local chief executive and will
The implementation of the National Tuberculosis Program.
Facebook ko no.